Hi, this is Bob Johnson Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all our upcoming videos. Now today I'll be showing you how to add or replace the SIM card in your Panasonic Toughbooks CF-20. First thing you want to do is open the unit, slide over the lock release button to the left. This will separate the screen and the keyboard base. You just want to put the keyboard base to the side. Now there are two locks on the bottom part of the screen. You need to slide them both, and then the plate will come right off. And finally slide over that battery lock and put the battery aside as well. Now that it's exposed, you can open the door and replace the SIM card. And replace everything else the same way, in the same order we removed it, and we're all done. Any questions or comments you can leave below. Thank you for watching.